Hi there, my name is Liz and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I post home decor content every Sunday and Wednesday, although I apologize, today's video is getting posted on a Thursday. From affordable decor and DIYs to shop with me videos, so if that's the kind of content you like to see, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on future videos. So in today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a very quick and easy little DIY project, hopefully much quicker and easier than the candlesticks last time were. And I think it's a really good kind of like spring decor piece as well. So we are going to make a little decorative plant bowl. So let's get into it. All right, so here is the workspace. I put some newspaper down per usual just to help make cleanup a little bit easier. I grabbed these little stones from Michael's for like $4, I think. Of course, the preference would be to just go outside and find some for free, but I didn't know where to find any around where we live, so I just bought these ones. And here is the actual bowl I'm gonna be using. My mom gave this to me a few years ago, and I'm not certain where she got it, but I think you could find something you love like this at Target or Home Goods, and I think a big bowl like this would be a really great thrift or antique find as well. And then the plant I'm using is this pothos that I absolutely love. It's the only plant I haven't been able to kill, and we've had it for a couple years now, so I'm very proud of it. So I started by pouring these stones into the bottom of the bowl. This is for drainage, so any extra water can drain down to the bottom and not drown the plant. I think I'm clearly not a plant guru, but putting these stones in for drainage just seemed like the right thing to do. Then I just took the plant and plopped it into the bowl on top of the stones. I tried to break up and spread out the soil that was already in the pot, but I realized that I would need more to fill in the bowl a little bit, so I just went outside and grabbed some soil from one of our garden beds to put in there. There was a very curious cat poking around while I went to grab some more soil from outside. So I think, as I mentioned, I just tried to fill in the extra soil all around the plant and kind of just press it in there and really get it all around the plant to make sure that it was pretty secure in the little bowl. Like I mentioned, this is the only plant I've managed not to kill, so I'm really hoping it survives this repotting. I also think that if you do this with a plant that's a little less full than this one, you could add some moss on the top of the soil here to give it a more polished look. Since this is just going in a spot where we can't really see the top of it, I'm not going to do that right now, but I do think that that would look really good. So here we are, all finished. This was so quick and easy, which I am so excited about. I think it looks really beautiful, and it's just such an easy way to upgrade the look of a plant in like a regular planter. And I think this looks so cute year round, but especially right now for spring. I just really love how this plant has grown to be so long and overflowing, and I love the way it looks hanging off of this cabinet. And I think the blue bowl adds a really beautiful contrast to the green of the plant, so definitely keep an eye out for a big beautiful bowl you can use as a planter next time you go thrifting or home decor shopping. And I talk about this little watering can in my Amazon home favorites video, so I will link both the can and that video for you guys down in the description below. But here we are, all finished. Let me know what you think in a comment below. Okay guys, well that wraps it up. I'm so excited that that was as quick and easy as I wanted it to be. So I had been keeping the plant just like in its own pot in that bowl, so I knew that I loved the way that that looked, so I wanted to just like permanently kind of plant, not permanently, but plant it in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did like watching it, please give it a big thumbs up down below to like the video, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I hope to see you guys next time.